I'm trying to remember what you said.
Dwi'n trio Beth, dydych ti?
Dwi'n trio cofio.
Cofio.
Be dydych ti?
That was great. Well done.
You said that you need to do something.
Ti deud bod ti gwneud rhywbeth.
I am. I'm particularly pleased with the way in which you carry on trying to get the rest of the sentence, because when you hit a block, a lot of people when they hit a block, that's the last thing they'll say. They'll just get focused on there and very frustrated. And the way in which you're, okay, I haven't quite got that bit, I'm going to keep on adding bits that I can remember from it, it's all extra practice. Really, really, really good.
The bits that get me are the heens, the boards, the weddies, sometimes the uns, and then I'll get like a sort of like in a computer when it kind of the spinning ball for a moment, the spinning ball happens.
Yeah.
But I'll think, but that's not fair because I know the end of the sentence, so I'm trying to get to that as well.
In a sense, and this can be, people can find it a little bit tricky really to sort of take this entirely on board. But in a sense, when I hear you get a sentence right, I know I've just wasted a little bit of your time. Because if you can get it right, you don't need to be working on it.
Yeah.
So when you have that sense, I could get all the rest of this, but I'm stuck on this one fiddly bit. Well, really what that means is you don't need to worry about the rest of it. If you know you can get it, it's done. You've finished with that for the time being. You don't need to be focusing on it a bit anyway.
Yeah.
Because, and of course, all that stuff, all those little bits which are fiddly and messy and feel out of control, and they give you that urge to want to go and write it all down and make it neat and tidy and have it in a list so that you know how it works. Eventually, they'll start to come out in the right kind of way without you needing to understand why that's happening. And it would just be because your brain has heard the patterns often enough.
Okay.
You've been learning.
Ti 'di bod yn dysgu.
Oh, lovely.
Ti 'di bod yn dysgu.
Oh, that sounds so natural.
You've been learning Welsh.
Ti 'di bod yn dysgu siarad Cymraeg yn y Gymraeg.
Ti 'di bod yn dysgu Cymraeg.
Cymraeg.
I love all that extra work you did.